Hi class! Today we are going to continue on with chapter 23 once again. We're going to have two sets of important words to know today so we can finish out this chapter. So the words for this part are strike, lockout, mediation, and unfair labor practices. So let's go ahead and get started. A strike is when union employees collectively stop working in order to force the employer into changing its position on an issue. So this could be for a variety of reasons. It could be to fight for increased pay, increased benefits. With teachers, they sometimes go on strike for also class sizes or other working conditions. So you can strike for many different reasons. A lockout. An employer withholds work from workers to get them to cave in on certain issues. So it's kind of like the opposite of a strike where the employer withholds the work from workers. Mediation. So a third party helps both sides negotiate in the event of a strike or a lockout. An outcome is not binding and both sides must agree to it. So with mediation, the outcome is not legally binding. It is just a suggestion on how you can solve the issue. Unfair labor practices. So certain actions that employers are not allowed to engage. Interfering with workers' efforts to form, join, or assist unions. Dominating a union or providing financial support. Discriminating on the basis of union membership. So if you're in a union, you can't do this, or if you're not in a union, you can't do that. Or you get extra benefits if you're not in the union, so you can't do that either. Refusing to bargain in good faith, so that means doing things underhandedly. Okay, our last part of the chapter is 3 terms. The important words to know are feather bedding, picketing, and boycott. Feather bedding. This is when labor unions force an employer to hire more employees than is necessary. So a feather bed is soft, it makes it comfortable. So the labor unions will force an employer to hire more employees because they want comfy, cushy jobs. So, let's hire an extra worker to do this or hire an extra worker to do that. So it says that more jobs are necessary than what is required. So they're no longer needed, but they're required to be kept by the union. Picketing. It's forming a protest group outside one's place of employment. That's the picket line. It's where you see people with the signs and everything. And then you have a boycott. That's refusing to purchase one's product or visiting a certain place. So if you disagree with something that's going on with them, you would boycott them. That wraps up chapter 23. So tomorrow's your quiz, so make sure you've taken notes and studied. It's a big quiz, so good luck, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.